Hi friends, a very good day to you. Today I am going to tell you the exact meaning of distance and displacement with an example. At first we know what is distance. So distance is the total path covered by the body. It doesn't have any direction, so it is a scalar quantity. And displacement is the shortest path covered by the body. It has direction, so it is a vector quantity. Now we understand these two topics with an example. Consider there is a car. This car has to reach point D from point A. At first, this car moves to point B, covering a distance of 10 meters. After that, moves at point C, covering a distance of 5 meter, and again moves to point D, covering a distance of 10 meters. So in this case, the distance traveled by a car from point A to point D is 10 plus 5 plus 10 equal to 25 meters. Now consider another case where the car directly moved from point A to point D by covering a distance of just 5 meters. Now if you observe, both the cases means the car's destination is same but the path is different. In first case, the car covers largest path, so it is a distance. In second case, the car covers shortest path, so it is a displacement. I hope you have all understand. Difference between distance and displacement. Distance is the length of the path traveled by a body while moving from an initial position to a final position. Displacement is the shortest distance between the initial position and the final position of the body. Distance is a scalar quantity. Displacement is a vector quantity. Distance measured is always positive. Displacement can be positive or negative depending on the reference point. The total distance covered is equal to the algebraic sum of all the distances traveled in different directions. The net displacement is the vector sum of all the individual displacements in different directions. There is always a distance covered whenever there is a motion. Displacement will be zero if the body comes back to its initial position. Unit meter, unit meter.